morning, everybody. Sunday morning. We are supposed to have a scheduled live feed this morning, but I hear threats of power outages. They've been talking about that for a few days, and they said the 10th, and it didn't happen. Now they're saying the 11th, which is, I guess, today, and we'll see. So this is going to be just a little early morning walk. I got my wife walking back here with our second camera, and we're just going to walk down to the bakery this morning and get us some fresh bread, see if they're open this early. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're taking a little walk. It's been raining over the last few days, guys, like crazy. It's been really, really raining. And last night it was like the heavens opened the doors and just poured the water on us. I ran out to the store for a minute, and it wasn't raining, and the store is 150 feet away. And it started raining while I was there, and by the time I got home, I was completely soaked. So let's see if this bakery is open. They normally are in the morning. They are open, right? They're open, right? So we'll take a little morning walk today. Around the neighborhood, we don't get out too much, obviously. And here is the big shop. What is it called? Let's see if we can get that sign. It's so dark in there. Right. Hot pandesal. So let's get one. Yeah, so we're standing around waiting here because we're so early that they're just getting the bread out of the oven. So it's going to be fresh. So we're going to hang and wait a little bit. And today my wife is actually walking and blogging too. And sometimes I steal some footage from her to get secondary footage in my videos, and I might do that today, so we'll see. She catches things I don't catch, and vice versa. By the way, go and visit her channel, What's Up, Man Up. I'll put the link in the description, and then we go from there. Alright, so I think he is about to come here with the bread. Okay, so this is how it looks from the bakery. This is one of my favorite breads. They have is it like a little bit of margarine or butter? And then
inside there is a cinnamon.
It's a little bit of cinnamon and sugar, and that's their pandesal.
Oh, look at their pandesal, it's so big.
Pretty big.
Yeah.
And it is good. Guys, this is 2 peso, which is what? I don't know what it is. There's 50 pesos to $1, so it's not much. And these are 10 pesos, so they're about roughly a quarter for one of these big ones. 25 cents. For you in Sweden, it's about 2 kronor och 50 öre per bulle. Okay, there we go. Let's walk again. Okie dokie, so here we got our bags, and now we're gonna take a little walk. Now we're gonna take a little walk, honey.
Huh?
We're gonna take a little walk now.
Where?
Oh, we'll just walk around a couple of blocks.
Come on.
So we I need to hold your bread. Yeah, that's fine. I can hold the bread. All right. So we have the dogs barking. We have the roosters making noise in the morning, and we're just gonna walk down here. Good morning.
Good morning.
You selling some tilapia this morning? Yeah, so people come up with ways to make money, you know, no matter what, no matter how, they find a way to make some money. So the street we're coming up on here in San Isidro, Dao, is Walling Street. So we're just gonna take a little quick walk down this way. Actually, down this way. And somebody has some fire on there. What, hon? Well, we'll just take a little walk while it's cold in the morning, and we
We need to go sit
we need to go where?
on the other street, other block.
Yeah. We'll walk down this way. You know, no matter where you go, despite the pandemic and everything, there's construction going on everywhere. They're adding a second floor up there. Look, second floor up here. I see down there, I see a big pile of sand and dirt and concrete. Come here. We'll just continue to walk a little bit. One more block and then we go home. And you know, right down there is a big pile of sand. So some construction is going on here too. And it's in here they have plenty of roosters apparently. Yeah, so there is obviously there is construction going on here as well. If you look down this way.
Yeah, we'll go this way.
Yeah, we go up here. Look down here, there's some kind of construction site. They pour the sands that cars can barely get by. I don't know if that's cement or sand or whatever it is. It looks like some garbage bags. Somebody get it of garbage. Here we got companions walking with us. Here they sound like, oh yeah, actually they have, oh yeah, they look at that, they have some parrots and parakeets and whatever they're called. Walking your picture? Yeah, filming myself on your camera there. There you go. Why not? Yeah, it's a beautiful morning though. It rained last night and today it cooled off, so it's really pleasant. Yeah, nice guava. Guava trees, mango trees, you have a little bit of everything growing everywhere.
Yeah.
And you got the flowers crawling over here, it's pretty. Yeah. an empty lot in here.
So this is the water, ano?
Oh yeah, this is our. This
We
is
order
where.
the water.
This is where we order our water. Prince Quest, right? Prince Quest water. They're just a few blocks, couple of blocks away from us. If that, yeah, it's about 2 blocks. So here we're coming down to the main street.
The market in this area.
Yeah. Yep. Right here.
Yeah.
They have this corner market. I'm gonna go and get a little footage here. Show people what they got. So they got like a corner market. They just arrived back, and this is pretty much how it looks like. They load it out, and you got tomatoes, you got everything. So this is pretty much where we go in the morning when we need a little bit. The bananas, fruits, apples. The only thing I don't like is the meat. How they throw out the meat right there. That's kind of something I have a hard time with. So I have a hard time with that. If it's not on ice and refrigerated, I don't want to buy it. There is one place across the street. You see the Jeep down there. Huh? What?
Shrimp.
They have shrimp?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is the shrimp? We'll try it some other time. No, not right now. I just wanted to show a little bit on the video what they have here locally. But anyway, I was saying down there, that lady that has a lot of meat, she's only open in the evenings. But what she does is she refrigerates the meat and or freezes it, so it's either frozen or refrigerated if she buys it in the morning. And whatever she doesn't sell that day goes in the freezer, so it's always frozen. So if you want a kilo of pork or chicken or whatever, she takes it right out of the freezer, and you take it home and defrost it, and that takes care of that. All right, so we are coming around the corner. This is the substitute for our live feed today, because I do think that we will have a power outage. Normally they cut the power at 8 o'clock, and that's about time we're going on the air. So I'm gonna try to get this video edited and up there before that happens. I don't know what happened. My wife asked me what happened. This is a common problem here. You guys see the water? This is our fresh water coming out. It's a very common problem, and if you look down there, there's a big puddle of water right down there. Very common. Anyway, I was going to say I'm home, and that'd be it for this little video. And we thank you for watching, and God bless. Be safe, take care of everybody, family, friends, and we'll see you again at the next live feed, which will be Thursday morning for Philippine time, 8:15. And here we go, some excited dogs. And Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So sorry for the dogs, guys. This is the aggravation I have here with about 20 dogs living in the neighborhood, and most of them are not very well trained. All right, bye-bye. God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.